When homeowners think about a roof, they usually focus on the shingles, but there's one component sitting at the very top of your roof that plays a critical role in protecting your home from leaks and weather damage. It's called ridge capping. Most homeowners don't know what ridge cap shingles are, why they're different from regular shingles, or why proper installation matters. Before your next roof replacement, it's important to understand this often overlooked roofing component. I'm Bill Ragan, and I've been solving problems with homeowners for over 35 years. Today I'll explain what roof ridge capping is, why it's important, and how it helps protect your roof system. Let's get into it. What is roof ridge capping? Ridge capping is the material installed over the peak or ridge of your roof. It covers the seam where two roof slopes meet together. Ridge cap shingles are specifically designed to bend over the ridge while maintaining durability and weather resistance. Their primary purpose is to seal your roof at the highest points. While they may look similar to regular shingles, ridge cap shingles are manufactured differently and designed specifically for this application. Why is ridge capping important? It protects the highest point of your roof from water intrusion. It helps prevent wind-driven rain from getting underneath the roofing materials. It creates a finished appearance along the roof's peak and at the hips. It helps secure the roofing system at one of its most exposed locations. When combined with a ridge vent, it also allows proper attic ventilation while keeping weather out. Without properly installed ridge capping, your roof would be far more vulnerable to leaks and wind damage. Where is ridge capping installed? Ridge capping is installed along the main ridge line at the peak of the roof, hip ridges where roof slopes meet on angled sections, areas where ventilation systems are installed beneath ridge caps, at the high points of the roof system exposed to weather. These locations experience significant wind exposure and require specialized materials to stay protected. What happens if ridge capping is installed incorrectly? Ridge cap shingles can crack or blow off during high winds. Water can penetrate the ridge line and cause leaks. The roof may lose its finished appearance. Improper installation can shorten the lifespan of the roof system. In some cases, incorrect installation can affect warranty coverage. This is why proper installation is just as important as using quality materials. What homeowners should know before a roof replacement. Ask your contractor what ridge cap product they'll be installing. Make sure they're using a product approved by the manufacturer. Most manufacturers make an accessory ridge cap to go with each shingle they sell. Verify that ridge ventilation and ridge capping work together as a part of a complete roofing system. Remember that ridge cap shingles are not just decorative, they're a critical protective component. A properly installed ridge cap system helps ensure your roof performs the way it's designed for years to come. Summary of the key points. Ridge capping protects the highest and most exposed areas of your roof. Ridge cap shingles are specifically designed for ridges and hips. They help prevent leaks, wind damage, and weather-related problems. Proper installation is essential for long-term roof performance. Ridge capping works alongside ventilation components to create a complete roofing system. Understanding ridge capping helps you see how every component of your roofing system works together to protect your home. If you want to learn more about roofing components, roof replacements, and how to make informed decisions about your roof, check out our website at billraganroofing.com. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company, and thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue helping homeowners just like you. I'll see you on the next one.